In this video, I'm going to show you how to translate PDF files into different languages on your iPhone. So you can see over here that I have this PDF document, and if you want to go and translate your PDF document into a different language, then what you'll first need to do is just open up an internet browser. Now I'm going to be using Safari, but you can use any internet browser. And then what we're going to do in this search box is type in translate PDF and then just hit enter. Now scroll down until you see the website smallpdf.com and click on that. Click on the Choose Files button and then select Choose Files. Now go and locate the PDF document that you want to go and translate. So mine's this one here. And click on Open in the top right hand side. Now give that a couple of seconds while it goes and analyzes all of that text. Click on Entire Document and press Translate. Now by default it's going to translate all of this into English, but if you want to translate it into another language, then you can click on the drop down arrow next to Translate to English, and then you can go and select the language that you want to translate this document to. So for example, I could go and change it into French. And just like that, we can now see all of this in French. And now if you wanted to go and save this back as a PDF document, you can click on the share button in the bottom navigation, click on options, where it says send as, click on PDF and then press done. Now scroll down to the bottom and select save to files, click on save in the top right hand side. And now if I head back over to my files on my iPhone, you can go and locate the downloaded translated PDF document. And it's really as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.